In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume profile in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This could be stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. It doesn't really matter. What does matter is that you're using TradingView Pro or a higher plan, because the volume profile tool is a pro feature and won't be available on the completely free version. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle or left side of the top toolbar, and it might be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly in the search box so you can start typing. This is the quickest way to find what you need, especially since TradingView has a huge library of built-in indicators and community scripts. Now, in the search box, type volume profile. As you type, TradingView will filter the list and you should see a group of results related to volume profile. You'll usually see several options like fixed range volume profile, session volume profile, or visible range volume profile. These are all variations of the same concept. They show you how much volume was traded at each price level instead of just over time. That helps you spot key support and resistance levels based on actual traded volume. Choose the specific volume profile tool that best fits your style. If you're not sure where to start, visible range volume profile is a popular choice because it automatically calculates the volume profile based on what's currently visible on your chart. Just click on your preferred volume profile option in the list, and TradingView will instantly add it to your chart. At this point, you should see a horizontal histogram on the side of your chart, usually on the right. Those bars represent the amount of volume traded at each price level. You can hover over them for exact values or right-click the indicator name to open settings and customize the colors, row size, and how detailed you want the profile to be. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to this feature, check out my affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gives you the full power of volume profile and other pro tools, so you can take your charting to the next level.